All right, I have a question for you. I want you to think about where you were 17 years ago, because that would have been the last time any of these folks were spotted in Pennsylvania. Yep, it's the famous 17-year cicada. Only lives in certain places. And this is one in southern Pennsylvania. And he emerged, and he's out, and he's doing life as a red-eyed 17-year cicada. Yeah, doing a great job of it. And he's also here to remind you that when he shows up in 17 years, you will be a very different person. Or will you? When this guy next shows up, when you see his relatives come out in 17 years, will you look back and remember how cool it was that in 2021 you made some great decisions, took some bold actions, stepped into intentional adventure and joy and wonder? Or will you look back in 17 years and think, oh, what have I done with this time? How has it gone by so fast? I frittered it away. Take some time and consider this. Take some time and consider, what will it look like for you in 17 years? Cicadas will be out. Will you have regret or delight? Seeing them again and remembering your decisions, or seeing them and being saddened by your lack of taking action, your lack of jumping in, your lack of choosing joy? See you in 2038.